How will you feel after starting up a new YouTube channel and you managed to upload videos on that channel for about a year and you got it monetized, and just about 3 months after monetization, the channel got demonetized? How you feel? So this video is part of the series of my AdSense masterclass. I mean, a free AdSense masterclass on this channel dedicated to the community of this channel. So in this video, we're going to find out the mistake this channel made after monetization and how she walked through it, or her reaction towards this issue, and what you as a new creator on YouTube, or if you're aspiring to monetize your channel, what you should learn and what you should avoid when you eventually get your channel monetized. I will show you what happened in our channel's analytics, how everything started, how she reacted, and the current state of this channel. Now, as you can see, this is the lifetime analytics of this channel. As you can see that she started this channel around sometime in September 2022, and she started getting decent views up to around 2023. Now, let me take you to the revenue tab. You can see that she started around September 2022, and it got to around the same September 2023, that is about a year later, she got the channel monetized and she started earning. So you can see how the earnings were going, and then suddenly the earning disappeared. So about a month or 2 months later, her channel was demonetized, and because of this demonetization, she was emotionally affected. So she had to give up on uploading videos on her channel, and at some point she just managed to upload 1 or 2 videos. So now if you look towards the end, that is currently in January 11, 2025, you can see that her channel is back to monetization. So I'm going to share with you what the mistake she made, and this cost her monetization for over or almost a year. You get the point. And you can see for about a year after her monetization, she only earned $31, of which if she was being monetized since then, she would have probably gotten over $1,000 or even more. You get the point. So we're going to find out what actually happened and how we can learn to avoid the same mistake when we are approaching our channel's monetization. So now, before you get your channel monetized, if you are current with this community, or if you're current on my channel, you already understand that you need to have an AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. So I'm not going to go deep into all that right now. You can check out the free course on my channel where I've been uploading videos on how you can successfully complete your AdSense verification and then make your channel fully monetized. Now, if you have issues when applying for monetization, that is when you have issues in your AdSense processing, it might affect your channel. So now when you reach that threshold, the monetization threshold on your channel, and you click apply, so immediately you start the monetization process, you are required to finish everything about the application and verification. You are expected to finish it within a period of 4 months, and if you are not able to do that, then your channel will be demonetized, which means that ads won't be playing on your channel again. And if there's some severe mistakes you can make your AdSense application, that could even lead to you losing every money that you have even earned within that few months that you got the channel monetized. Now, the problem with this channel was that the channel owner was trying to verify her identity in AdSense, and she wasn't able to achieve that. She tried it once and twice, and she wasn't able to verify her identity, and the period that was required for her to complete that verification elapsed, and her channel was demonetized. and she had no one to, to run to, or someone that could help her out. So one thing we need to learn is that as a content creator on YouTube, you need to be in a community. You need to network. You need to know people, other creators that are in your niche, and probably those outside your niche, so that when you run into problems, they can help you out, or if they can't help, they can refer you to someone that could potentially help you. So she couldn't get anyone that will help her. I think when I was discussing with her, she told me she has someone in North America that tried it as well, but he couldn't achieve it. So before, someone recommended me to her. So now the problem she had was that, she couldn't verify her identity, and everything just blank up, and she now gave up on content creating for about a year. You can imagine what she would have earned, and the influence or the connection she would have gotten if she was uploading on her channel. And as of that time, there was a video going viral on her channel. So please, when you want to start your AdSense application or your monetization application, if you are not too sure of what you are doing, reach out to anyone that have successfully done his or her own before, so that they can help you out. You see, AdSense is the AdSense process is very straightforward, but there's some little things that you can some little silly mistakes, some little mistake you can make that can just jeopardize everything. Now, if you want to verify your identity in AdSense, there's this email they will send you immediately after you have reached when you start the application. Here they'll give you some instructions about how to submit your identity, your ID card. Capture the entire document, including the 4 corners. This is very important. Then your image must be readable, in focus, and free of reflection and glare. That is also very important. I've seen some creators that have missed it just because of this reflection side. Like, in my own opinion, I believe that the YouTube has an AI system that scans these IDs and then confirm if it corresponds with the information you've entered in your AdSense. So if they correspond, then they will approve it. Because I've seen some application that was verified instantly. Immediately I clicked submit, the identity card or the ID card was approved. The verification was approved immediately. So also they have here, to prevent abuse, we allow a limited number of verification attempts. Yes, someone has lost about $500 just because he attempted this verification, I think, more than 3 times. In some cases, I think some accounts have, I think it is 5 times, some 3 times. But to be on the safe side, just assume that the maximum attempt is 3 times, because if you say 5, you might want to make the 4th one and you discover that you have already exhausted the verification attempt. So this is also very, very important. When you try your identity verification the first time, you try the second time and it doesn't go, please make sure that you get it right on the 3rd attempt. Else, whatever money you have in that AdSense account, you can count it as being lost. Then the last instruction here is that uploading documents or photos other than what is requested may result in account suspension. So what this means is that, like, when you choose that you are going to use a driver's license as your document for verification and you end up submitting an international passport, that could lead to severe consequences. Like, as they said, they can suspend your account, and when they suspend your account, you might eventually not get back any money that is inside that AdSense account. From the experience I've had with some creators, some of them that made this mistake, they ended up not getting back their money, getting their earnings in AdSense. So this is very, very important. So now, currently, this is the state of this channel's AdSense account. As you can see that her identity has been verified, so she's now waiting for the pin. So I'm going to talk about how to get this pin and other tips and strategy that you can use to get it very fast. And as you can see here, you can see that the pin was sent on January 11, 2025, and this pin will expire. So this account, this new AdSense account, or this AdSense account for this channel is expired. It's expected to be verified before May 11, 2025. And if she still doesn't verify her AdSense account before then, the channel also will be demonetized again. So guys, just be careful when you are starting the AdSense process. And if you want to reach out to me, you can check the link in the description. And also make sure, if you know you are tech savvy or you understand everything about this process, you can check out my AdSense masterclass, free masterclass for the sake of this community. So you can check out other videos I've uploaded so that you can learn one or two things from from other people's experience. Like they say, when you learn from other people's experience, you are counted as a wise person. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'd like to hear your thoughts. And if you have other questions that you want me to treat in this masterclass series, please drop them in the comment section. And don't forget, I'll be going live in some hours, so I would like us to continue the conversation in the live stream. So if you are new here and you are yet to join the community, hit the subscribe button so that you get notified each time I upload helpful videos for you. That is, if you are planning to get your channel monetized and also to get helpful YouTube tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.